नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो फाइनली अपन आ गए हैं यहाँ हुआवे के स्टोर में।
हुआवे का भी यहाँ पर आउटलेट लगा हुआ है। हुआवे आपको मैंने लास्ट टाइम बताया था कि चाइना का बहुत वेल नोन फेमस ब्रांड है हुआवे। हुआवे ने इस टाइम में काफी बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किए हैं। नाउ आई विल शो यू द Mate X6 folding phone. It's a folding phone of the Huawei. You can see it's very slim body, right? Before I already saw you the phones of the
Samsung and Apple.
Very slim body Huawei Mate 6. And if you are looking for the before, yes, I remember this is, you can see the triple display phone Mate XT Ultra design. Hi. So I would like to show you this. So guys, today we are in the outlet of the Huawei. It's a very famous brand of China. Here I will show you all the latest upgraded phone of the Huawei brand. Pure 80 Ultra, Pure 60 Ultra, Pure 90 Ultra, Pure 80, Watch GT 5 Pro, FreeBuds Pro 4, Pure 80 Ultra, Pure 80 Pro, Pure 80, and here you can see the back side, the triple camera setup. And if you are looking for the folding phone, so now yes, Huawei has launched the folding phones too. You can see this is Huawei Mate XT. It's a triple display phone, right? After opening all the phones, it is fully same like a tablet, right? Here you will also get this pencil. This is first display, right? So first display is getting fold from here, and the second display is fold from here. So total there are 3 displays. After folding all the display, you can see the thickness of the phone. It is very thick, right? And about the prices, now I will tell you. If you want to use the single display, yes, you can use the single display. If you want to use the 2 display, then yes, you can use the 2 display. If you want to display, then yes, you can use the triple display. I open here, you can see, because this is a triple display phone. I am alone, so it's a bit very hard for me for the folding purpose. You can fold in any shapes, like you can see I can fold in any shapes. And the prices here you can see by your own eyes. Huawei Mate XT, the prices are in the Russian ruble, 2,69,999 Russian rubles. So now you can convert in Indian currency, in reals, in any other currency. Where are you from? And this is our Huawei Mate XT. And about the display quality, you already have seen here. These are all the single display phone Mate 70 Pro. This is the authorized retail counter of the Huawei. These all are the watch, tablets, bands, the laptops. Laptops are also very upper class quality. You can see it's very slim, same like the Apple's MacBook. If you want to use the Apple MacBook, yeah, Apple MacBook is also a good product. But in the Apple MacBooks, there are a lot of restrictions. You cannot download anything as per your desire, as per your choice. But in the Huawei, yes, it's very easy. In my office, we also use the Huawei laptop. And about the prices, you can see this is same like the copy of the MacBook Air M2, M3. And the prices here you can see in the Russian ruble, 89,999 Russian Huawei MateBook 14. This is MateBook D16. The prices here you can see 64,999 Russian rubles, and it is D14 14-inch display. And the prices here are 59,999. And this is the mate pad. It means in this model you get one separate keyboard and plus one tablet. If you want to use only tablet, yes, you can use the tablet. If you want to use with same like a laptop, then you can use the keypad. It's very slim. This product is good product. The person, those who are traveling around the world for the business purpose or for the work purpose,